In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and share a form efficiently, whether you're gathering feedback, creating a survey, or simply looking to collect some information. Mastering the basics of form creation is a skill worth having. Let's dive in and get started. First, let's navigate to the Forms tab in your browser or application. This is where you'll find all the tools necessary to get your form up and running. The Forms tab acts as a central hub, offering access to existing forms or the option to get started on a brand new project. Once you're there, you'll see the option to create a form. Go ahead and click on the Create Form button. This is your gateway to customizing a form that suits your unique requirements. Clicking this button will set the stage, bringing up a blank canvas to work from. Now let's jump into the creative process of adding fields. This is where you can tailor your form to meet your specific needs. Think about the kind of information you want to gather. Maybe it's names, addresses, emails, or more open-ended responses. You'll find options to add text fields, checkboxes, drop-downs, and other types of inputs. Select the ones that align with your goals. Want to ask a question with a list of possible answers? Use radio buttons or checkboxes. Need detailed information from respondents? A text box would be great for longer answers. As you add fields, keep the user experience in mind. Structure your questions in a logical order and keep things concise. Overly complicated or lengthy forms can discourage respondents from completing them. It's all about balance. Gather the information you need without overwhelming your participants. As you're crafting your form, it's helpful to periodically preview it. This allows you to see it from a user's perspective, making sure everything looks just right and the flow feels natural. Before finalizing your form, give it a once-over to ensure all fields are necessary and categorized correctly. Clarity is key to gathering quality data. With the form now created and double-checked, it's time to share it with your audience. You can do this by sharing the form link. Simply find the share option, usually represented by an icon or a button labeled share. Clicking on it will generate a link specifically tied to your form. This link is what you'll send out, whether through email, social media, or embedding it on a website. Make sure to test it first to ensure it's working as expected and guiding respondents exactly where they need to be. And that's it. Armed with a shared link, your form is ready to start collecting responses. You've successfully created and shared a form. It's as simple as that. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience with forms, these straightforward steps will streamline your process and help you engage with your audience more effectively. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps make your form building experience smooth and successful.